Oh, cute little gingers. Have you guys ever had gingers? YouTube? I know you guys have on YouTube. But these guys, look at that. That's Squinty. Hey, Squinty. He's a feral. Some people call him a stray, whatever. I say he's feral. Took 2 years to be able to pet him. And there's Leo. Well, look at that. They're on the couch, you guys. Feral cats on the couch again. Just thought I'd show you. Hi, Squinty. Hey, buddy. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Hi, buddy. Yeah, it's like 40, 43 outside. Something like that. And it's like 70 inside. He likes 70 better than 43. Huh, Squinty? Yeah, what a good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Hey, Squinty. Whoa. He's so happy to be inside on the couch. Yeah. And Leo, he just sleeps through everything. He's just a sleepyhead on the couch. Oh, Leo. Hey, good boy. What's up, good boy? Oh, give everybody give a toothless smile. Smile. What a good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Hey, Squinty. What a good boy. You're so happy, aren't you? Yeah. Leo's super happy. Squinty's super happy. Look at you guys. You guys are so lucky. You guys are so lucky. We love you. Aw. How couldn't we, right? You guys are gingers. You guys have the most love out of every cat ever, any cat ever had. Yeah, huh, Squinty? Huh, good boy. He's such a good boy. Oh, sorry. He gets a cold when he's outside. Oh, this is the time of year for Squinty. I know. Bless you. We gotta go outside and cuddle up with Skitty Kitty. She needs you. All right, you guys. Oh, Leo, I'm sorry I woke you up. You keep yawning a lot. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.